Let's cook. Hey, so we're gonna make this honey mustard sauce. This sauce is basically a good sauce that goes with salmon or any type of food that you may want to have like a little sweetness with a little bit of tang to it. So we're gonna start with a couple pads of butter. Then we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Don't have no give to it. And then we're gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. So it should look like this. And we're just gonna mix it up with a little fork just to melt all the butter and the brown sugar together. And next we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And then you're gonna mix well. It should look like this.
Hey guys, I'm gonna just heat the pan up. Put it on medium heat. And then just get a teaspoon of butter. Put it in the pan. Make sure it coat the pan really good. Okay, fish is in the skillet. Make sure you season both sides and place the fish skin faced up. Make sure you season both sides. Just a pinch of salt. With a little bit of pepper, both sides, for 6 minutes. Now you just want to flip. Oh yeah, that golden brown, that's what you want.
So we're gonna put in about 2 cups of rice. And then we're gonna fill this up a little bit, just enough to cover the rice. Turn this on. It's gonna take about 5 minutes because it is minute rice.
So we're gonna make some asparagus. I usually cut about right there on my asparagus. Now I'm gonna put a teaspoon of butter in there. And then I'm gonna add my portobellos. You can cut them in half, and that's gonna provide your sauce with the butter.
And these are all pre-washed, guys.
And then add a teaspoon of garlic on there. Add some of your salt. A little salt bay. Add a little pepper. And this is going to cook for about 3 minutes.
Okay, so we have this wine that we're going to have with our dinner. It's called Winking Owl. And it is a Moscato from California.
And this is how much we paid all together. 18 bucks for everything.
So you can eat smart, eat cheap, with mad money to spare.
All from Aldi.
So the sauce that we made in the beginning, we're gonna drizzle this all over the rice. And we're gonna sprinkle some all over the salmon that we just cooked. Doesn't that look excellent, guys?
Now we open our Aldi wine.
Opa! Did you smell the cork?
Yeah, supposed to. Hard day at work. Give you just a little bit. No, I'm just joking.
Well, dinner is finally prepared. We're all done, and we're gonna go and actually have dinner. We're gonna have dinner, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next show. Happy eating.